I'm currently trying to organize my pantry, my bathroom, my fridge, and these Lazy Susans were sent to me for my review, and these are so fantastic. If you've never tried any of these, they are really helpful. As mentioned, you can literally use these anywhere. So basically they're on like a little 360 turning, swivel, whatever you want to call it, spinning, and you literally can just put your items in here and then spin it around. This is really great like when you're in the fridge and you have like a bunch of sauces up at the top, and you know, instead of trying to move all the bottles to get to the one in the back, you just spin this around and it will then face you in the front. Same thing, these are great in a pantry, in a bathroom with all of like your makeup supplies, your skincare, all of that. It is really, really nice. This is 11.5 inches. It is a 4-pack, which is absolutely fantastic. You can also get a smaller size if you think this is too big. You can get the 9.25 size, and those also come in a 4-pack, but you can also get a 2-pack of either of these. So if you are anything like me and just trying to get yourself organized so there's like less clutter, highly recommend these.